If you've ever pinched your nose to stop a sneeze, you might want to stop doing that, because when you sneeze, air rockets out of your nose at nearly 100 miles per hour. And when you trap all that pressure inside, bad things happen. You can rupture your eardrums, pop blood vessels in your eyes, or even tear your throat open. There's literally cases of people fracturing ribs from the internal pressure. One guy in the UK actually ruptured the back of his throat and could untalk or swallow for weeks. So yeah, just let it out. Your body's trying to launch something at highway speeds for a reason.